What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video is gonna be performing well and it's gonna be useful for you because I'm making it the fourth time. Sometimes you have those days when nothing is working. First, quality of the video was not good, it was very blurry and focused. Then the lighting was bad, then the sound didn't work. Oh my god, this is the fourth time I'm shooting it. Let's hope everything stays fine. And I decided to make this video to share with you my personal experience on YouTube. It's been already 1 year since I'm on YouTube. I also want to celebrate 900 subscribers on YouTube. Why not 1000? Because I think 900 sounds quite cool, a cool number. And I just want to share with you, I felt like I want to share with you my personal opinion and my personal experience, what I have went through the whole year. If you guys were wondering if it's a good idea to start a YouTube channel in 2020, then keep on watching, and I think this video will be an answer for your question. And if someone would show me this kind of video a few years ago when I was just thinking to start a YouTube channel, that would definitely will be very helpful for me. All right, so let's begin. First thing to understand is the equipment. I'm not gonna here share with you what kind of equipment I use and how much it costs and what exactly you need to use. By the way, all equipment that I use, the links are in the description box. You can have a look how much it costs, my setup. But what I just want to tell you is that YouTube is very competitive right now, and it was competitive a year ago and 2 years ago, so but it's still a very competitive platform. However, in order to stand out on this platform, you have to produce high quality content. What other people, educators, let's call them this way, they say that all you need is your mobile phone and start to make videos. Sure, you do, you can just use your phone, but in order to produce high quality content itself, not the content of the quality, but the content on YouTube, you should use good equipment in order to be able to produce a high quality content video, because if you have good sound, if you have good quality of the video, then people are more likely to watch you rather than another video where the quality is not so good, where it's hard to hear, where some noises or the quality itself is not good. So in order to be able to compete on this very competitive market, you have to produce high quality content. What I have done is I started to shoot my videos using very basic body camera. You can see which body I used in the description box, with a very basic lens, but then I upgraded my lens to a more expensive one, which gives this nice blurry background which everyone wants to have. And then after this I bought a new mic, Rode Wireless Go, super happy with that, and I'm planning to invest later on more into the equipment in order to have a better quality of my videos. That you have to keep in mind. The second thing that you have to keep in mind is frequency. So answer yourself honestly how many times per month you are able to publish a video. I started with once a week, but then I worked on my process and I started to publish twice a week, and that's actually helped me to grow my channel from, I don't know, I think it was 100 subscribers to basically 900 subscribers. If you upload video on the constant base, then I guarantee you will have a success very soon on YouTube. But consistency and frequency is very important on YouTube. If you think like you are just want to create a video once in a while, when you have an inspiration, that's totally not going to benefit your channel at all. So be honest with yourself and answer those questions. How many videos you're able to produce every month or every week? For me personally, how much it takes to produce one video is at least 30 minutes. That's the minimum that I need to prepare the topic, to write script. What I write is just basically bullet points, what I want to talk about in the video. If I need, I make some research. For some of the videos I prepare more than 2.5 hours, 3 hours it can be, but on average 30 minutes. And then it takes me to shoot the video around 30 minutes. And then to edit the video is about 1 hour. And then to make thumbnail, maybe 30 minutes more. And then upload and optimize the video is around 1 hour as well. So overall it's about 3 to 4 hours per video. So yeah, So you can calculate it based on these numbers. I don't know how many hours other YouTubers need to produce one video and to publish one video, but that's my numbers. The third thing to remember is having your niche. So once you have your niche, I mean, everyone is talking about these niches that you need to have a niche, but I would just say that start doing YouTube channel based on something you are in love with. So it can be anything. It can be even cooking, sport, something that you really love doing. Because if you start to do a YouTube channel for the sake of getting monetization and because it's hyped, but you're not really interested in that topic, sooner or later you're gonna have a burnout and you will not be able to produce any more content, because you're going to lose the motivation to produce content, this type of content. If you're starting your channel based on something you really truly love, then no matter if you're gonna have a burnout, no matter how much it's gonna be your motivation, you will still go back to that point and you will resume your work and you will start working again. Now I want to share with you the most amazing outcomes from my experience on YouTube within 1 year. And this is the first thing, is 900 subscribers on YouTube. I have to say that the audience on YouTube is the most loyal one, the most amazing one. People coming from YouTube write me messages in my direct message on Instagram, as well as they comment all the time my videos, ask me questions. But I really get tons of messages every single day from the people coming from YouTube, and oh my god, this is just so amazing to have this real dialogue with people who are also passionate or want to discover about the topic you're expert in. And yeah, it's just, I just truly love to build up the conversation with subscribers to this channel. And what I have noticed that as those bloggers who are using primarily Instagram platform to promote their personal brand, their engagement is much lower compared to those who is using Instagram and YouTube. And when you compare engagement from just an Instagrammer and YouTuber, the engagement of the Instagram and YouTuber is much higher, if you understand what I mean. So I mean, basically it's my case. So I have Instagram account, but I also publish content on YouTube, right? So I have two platforms, source of the traffic. That's happening because psychologically people, when they watch videos, this kind of videos, like a talking head videos, it's tend to create this invisible connection between you and your audience, and people psychologically have a feeling that they know you better. That's why they tend to create this personal relationship with you, while it's impossible to create this kind of connection through the image. That is why people who subscribers on YouTube, it's worth much more than a follower on Instagram. Of course, I also love all my followers on Instagram, but subscribers that people coming from YouTube are just my favorite. The second thing that I have to share with you, my experience, is that oh my god, I have learned so many things through this whole year. Starting from editing, I really improved my editing skills, like editing in terms of sorry for the light again, the weather today is being crazy. Starting from editing the video itself, the footage, the raw footage, I really improved myself a lot. So before that it took me like, I don't know, 3 hours to edit one video. Now it takes me around 1 hour to edit videos. Second thing, using Photoshop, branding, designing, understanding different types of font, understanding which colors to use, which colors to not use, which colors perform better, which colors attract attention, and so on and so forth. There's like so many things I have learned, like technical things. I learned how to make a research, I learned how to stay updated and to be the first one to shoot a video on a specific topic that is hyping right now. I have to learn how to read statistics on YouTube, to measure all these numbers, to see where are the weak points and where I have to work more. I have learned about search engine optimization, all these tags and paid advertisement on YouTube as well. I have learned so many things within this year. It's just amazing. And the coolest thing is that I can use my knowledge not just for developing my YouTube further, but also I use this knowledge working with clients, doing my job. This is just knowledge that that is the best knowledge that is applied by learning by doing something. The most amazing thing that happened to me within 1 year is growing my self-confidence, self-awareness, and becoming and start to like myself. I started to accept myself. I made my first videos couple of years ago, but I just hated myself, how I looked on the video. I hated how my voice sounds. I just hated everything. I hated my manners. I hated literally everything about this video, where I was on these videos. But at some point I was like, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna publish it. And since that moment, I started to accept myself. I started to like myself on the video. I started to like my voice. I started how I look. I really started to respect myself more. And this is like one of the coolest things. And I think that's worth like years as a psychologist, because that was a huge work behind that, from not accepting yourself at all to start liking yourself on the videos. That mental thing that YouTube helped me to overcome is the negativity, is of course the comments like this. And oh my God, 1 year ago, if I would receive this comment, I would probably hit my head and it would hurt me. But it helped me so much to grow personally, as well as to be stress resistant, accept criticism, like constructive, healthy criticism. It helped me to not react to this kind of comments, because I know who I am. I know what I'm doing. I know that I'm not perfect. And there are like some people who want to intentionally hurt you, but not for the sake to hurt you. There's not something wrong with you, but just something, it means there's something wrong with these people. This journey in 1 year really helped me to overcome all of these obstacles and to be better version of myself. And it helped me to be a better speaker, because once I edit the video on YouTube, I see where my weak points while I talk, while I gesturing and other things, because there you can see and judge yourself critically where you have to improve in order to be able to be a better speaker. And I can use, and I'm using this kind of qualities that I gained while I do my presentations, while I speak on a bigger audience in life. Yeah, that's just an amazing work that have been done with just 1 year. And as I already said, was one of my best decisions last year. And if you're a bad speaker, if you want to improve your speaking qualities, if you're interested in editing the videos, if you're using graphic design and in Photoshop, how to learn to use Photoshop and other things, search engine optimization, then start a YouTube channel, start experiencing this very, very interesting journey, start learning, start to challenge yourself, because what you get in the end is just priceless knowledge that you can use in any work. It would totally make you the better version of you. Yeah, so that was it. I hope it was useful for you and I inspired you to start a YouTube channel. And yeah, I just shared my personal opinion, my personal experience within the whole year on YouTube. And if you have a friend or family member who is hesitating to start a YouTube channel, make sure to share this video. And I really, really hope that with this video, I'm going to inspire someone to start a YouTube channel.